guys, and today we're here in Mountain Burgino again. And today, I don't know what this time it is, but it's literally the night time in the morning. And today, and my dad is over there, I'm gonna vlog to the video and see what you love it more. Thank you.
Labas tayo. Bilis, go.
Walking and Shirley.
Come here.
I think. And my dog is gonna fall over there. I thought my dog is gonna fall. Oh my god, Sammy, no. Ba, my best friend na ikaw. Best friend mo. And today we're here and my dad is over there and over here. Check out the view. Check out the view over our Kubo 7. Come on. Dai, ano mo si Sammy? Let's go. Look at this full view. I even can't see the full view, but it's so beautiful. Watch and learn so we can picture and you're gonna see it in our channel. And that's us for the end in the video. I will see you next time. Goodbye.